Hey there, online students. It is Monday, August 28th. This is Dr. Buer. Welcome to the first week of fall 2023. This video is what I call a weekly video update. In the online format, we have to do a little bit of extra work to stay connected, and so I do these every week on Mondays to help you understand what we've got going on in the class, things to watch out for, aware of certain deadlines, the kind of things that we might cover if we were talking before class in the classroom. But I want to encourage you to watch these every week. They're generally pretty short, about 2 to 3 minutes. This one may be a little bit longer because I'm going to show you some things that are helpful as we start our class, but please consider them a really important way for us to check in with each other and to make sure that we're all on the same page. What I do is I walk through each of my online classes. I have 3 of them, so obviously that information will only apply to certain ones of you, but it's easier for me than cutting up and doing 3 different videos. So without further ado, let me show you what I've got going on in each class, and then we'll end with just a reminder about how you can get in touch with me on a regular basis during the semester. My first online class is NT 5103 Online, our 3rd semester Greek class. When you go to the homepage, you can see the various modules that we've got, and these are in chronological order, so you'll follow these through. I want to encourage you to go ahead and hit the ground running. You'll notice that we only have about 3 weeks to do textual criticism, which means by the end of this first week, you have to do a reading report where you've read all of the material in here. Now, the biggest chunk of this is going to be the Metzger and Ehrman text, and I want you to know that I don't expect you to read everything. You can skim a certain number of pages indicated here, but I do want you to read the rest carefully because it's a foundation for what we're going to cover in textual criticism. So get cracking on that. We do have a fair bit of intro stuff that we've got to cover related to textual criticism, videos, and things like that. So we're getting started right away. I encourage you to get started on the assignments right away so that you can effectively do them by the time that they're indicated. In NT 5104, my second online class, we have a softer intro to the class. You can see we're going to be covering, basic introductory issues, things of that nature. There is a little bit of reading you need to do. There's some administrative matters I want you to take care of, etc. But the most important thing is that you just get settled in and ready to begin the class. I want to point out to you, you can ask questions about anything related to our class here in this discussion area. I want you to make sure that everything's really clear, so don't hesitate to reach out to me if you do have any particular class questions about class. And in NT 5110, my 3rd online class for this semester, what you'll notice is that we have a little bit of a lighter pace because this is a 2-hour class, and so you'll notice that we again are just going to be focusing on introduction. We've got various issues that we're going to cover, reading the syllabus, things of that nature, and again as well, if you have questions on the course, you can ask them here. Instead of us being together in class and going over the syllabus, you can use this to ask any questions that you may have. I do want to remind you how to get in touch with me. I'm available basically by email, mbuer@dts.edu. If you would like to have an appointment with me, I need you to contact my administrative assistant. Her name is Annie Hurley. Her email is ahurley@dts.edu, and her phone is 214-887-5019. All of this information was in my intro video, so if you go back to that and you need a review, it will be there. I am very happy to meet with you. I can meet with you in person if you happen to be local, be happy to meet with you online, whatever works for you. I want to be available to you as the class unfolds, so don't hesitate to call on me as necessary, but also don't hesitate to take advantage of the ways you can get in touch with me in class by using the various discussion boards, and you can always email me if you have any questions. I am excited about this semester. I hope that you are as well. Let me know how I can pray for you, and I will pray that the Lord gives you a great semester and that you really grow in Him as we learn our materials. Take care, and we'll see you online this week.